Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about solar eclipse that are happened in 2022. The first one, it's happened on 30th of April at 10 p.m., 28 minutes and 4 seconds, Romanian local time. We have a new moon phase in Taurus and partial solar eclipse. The first eclipse of the year is visible from southern of South America, parts of Antarctica, and across of the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. It creates a T-square between the Sun, the Moon, the North Node and Uranus in Taurus, with the South Node in Scorpio and with the Saturn in Aquarius. There is a possibility of an unpredictable event, difficult to control, related to resources, financial situation, medical system and working environment. Because the ruler planets of houses 6 and 12 are in the 4th house in Pisces, it shows that one can go forward only through change, forgiveness, healing and also hope. That is why it's good to educate yourself, to learn to be informed from proper sources, to make research, to understand and to see reality exactly as it is. Because reality is not bad or good. This is about our perception. As you can see on the chart, it's a nocturnal chart. So it means that moon is important and moon is formed the new moon phase and eclipse on the 6th house. The rising of this chart is in Sagittarius. That means that the impact of this eclipse can be in many places on the planet. But if we keep hope and we use our intuition, imagination and native talents, we can have a lot of good results, and not all kind of results, practical results. Because the planets from Pisces on the 4th house form benefic sextile aspects with the planets from the 2nd house and 6th house. And as you know, the 2nd and the 6th house, they are vocational houses. The second lunar eclipse, it happened on 25 October at 12 p.m. 48 minutes and 40 seconds, Romanian local time. We have a new moon in Scorpio and partial solar eclipse. This eclipse is visible from most of the Europe, North Africa, the Middle East and Western Asia. The duration of the eclipse is 1 hour and 16 minutes. This eclipse activates the 11th house where Venus and midheaven are still to be found, so the attention is directed to the group's interest and organizational involvement activities that become significant. It's about fidelity, commitment, and emotional involvement, total in an impetuous project in which the result is much better if people work together. Now it's about us, not only about me. So together we are more powerful. It also creates a T-square between the planets in Scorpio, Saturn in Aquarius, and planets from Taurus. So we have 11th house, 2nd house and 5th house. This T-square helps us to be more responsible, even we don't get all the results in the right moment. Perseverance and focus, it's very important. Once we are on the right track, we will earn the respect of others. But the most important is about how much I respect myself. Because also the 5th house, it's about the self-esteem. And we have a trine between planets from Taurus and rising sign, Capricorn. That means that if we use in a practical way our talents, abilities, and willing and motivation to do something in this world, we can succeed. The temptation to give up is quite high, but our inner motivation, patience, and perseverance can lead to success. Another motivation that will make us to stay on the chosen path may be the desire to develop the ability to build our personal resources through work, especially if we work in groups, in teams with others in different projects. It is important to use all the innovative ideas that lead to a new path, which has an open door to the future. So I wish you all to use in an efficient way these two solar partial eclipses. Have a good day. Bye bye.